So pretty. Look at that glitter. Purple glitter. This is like one of the best kinds of slime. We got it from Walmart. It is oddly satisfying glitz, squishy like slime. It is awesome. Super stretchy. It is very, very satisfying. I give this slime a 10 out of 10. It's so pretty, so stretchy, great to poke, great to make bubbles and pop them. It doesn't really stick to your hands. It stuck at first to your hands a little bit when you first bought it and open it, but after you play with it a little while, it gets to the point that it doesn't stick to your hands. See? So that makes it good because I don't like the slime that sticks everywhere to your hands. I like this kind of slime. And it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Yes, so I definitely give the slime a 10 out of 10. For me, my like. It all depends on what kind of slime you guys like. But I like the slime that doesn't stick and you can make bubbles and pop them and you can poke like this. So, it satisfies me. And that's my little review on this slime. And there's a lot in it, so it's like so much. Because I still didn't even get all of it out. So, but I love it. Thank you.